Live pictures coming to you from Port Harcourt here, and it is at the instance of the Rivers East Senatorial District Rally 2023, and all the local government areas, about 8 of them here, are all gathered with members from these various local government. I'm told that this is the fulcrum of the senatorial district and rivers politics, and we expect you to stay by your TV set and watch proceedings as the governor moves to the podium to speak to people of this senatorial district. Stay with us. This is Africa Independent Television. I am Tony Douglas.
Power to the people.
PDP.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
PDP.
Our dear leaders. Our dear people of Rivers East Senatorial District, let me, on behalf of the party, thank all of you. I do know that the past few weeks, local government by local government, I know how tired you have been. We just decided today to see that all senatorial districts hold themselves together as what we may call as rally. I'm heading to Rivers West, and from Rivers West to Rivers Southeast. All I want to appeal to all of us is all of us to continue to remain steadfast and continue to mobilize our people as regards the forthcoming election of February 25th and March 11th. We all are aware where we are heading to by the grace of God. But let me also use this opportunity to debunk the allegation that some people have made that one, Abiye Sekibo said, has sponsored assassination or attempted assassination on his life. I want to say categorically clear, all of us from Rivers State will know who is who. We know who has killed so many people in this state. Justice Kayode Shaw, retired Justice of Supreme Court of the blessed memory, indicted, judicial panel indicted Abiye Sekibo as the head of Cultists that killed so many people in Rivers State. So, we granted approval for the candidate of the party to hold their rally at the Mesimaka Stadium. And I do know if you go there today, no stadium has been built. And so it is impossible for anybody to say somebody's life was attempted and then the place was burned down. It is not correct. And if there was anything like that, the person should report the matter to the police. And all those found culpable will face the wrath of the law. This is not the first time. If you know you have no capacity to mobilize support, which you are promising some people, say so. Do not be carrying propaganda against innocent people. And so I do not want to waste your time because the sun is so scorching. But thank you for coming out and go back home and begin to mobilize for our people. Thank you and God bless you. National anthem.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.